Data Central is a visualization that faces Central Avenue on the outside of the Center for Advanced Research Computing. It's a center for a lot of supercomputers and research projects that run on these supercomputers.
Carsey is situated on two very busy streets, University and Central. And so the design intent was to incorporate that movement into the LEDs that are going onto the glass facade of Carsey.
Data Central is most importantly a way to inform the community about what we're doing here at Carsey and how the research may actually impact them and what we're doing to make this world a better place.
Data Central brings our group in connection with the community. We learn a ton, like soldering, bringing groups together like the American Institute of Architecture students at UNM.
Carsey is this amazing building that I never even noticed until I started working there. It's the supercomputing building, and they're doing a lot of really incredible research there.
Data Central is a really cool art piece that's interactive LED display, and it's located on Central, which is Route 66, which has a history of neon signs and like Americana culture, and some of that neon sign culture has kind of disappeared in recent years, so I feel like we're bringing it back in our own modern version of it.
In the end, we came up with this design that each LED strip would start to incrementally rise up, but they'll get longer as they slope up more. And so the challenge was figuring out the measurements of the LED strips and the C channels. I thought about creating a design that would hold the LED strips, but essentially still open face to the context that's outside of it. And so this L-clip allows that transformation to happen.
My role in Data Central was programmer. I also built a prototype simulation with some of the team. It's a smaller one that runs on the east side of the building.
I've been helping a lot with the programming, connecting the data feeds to the visualization and figuring out what we want to visualize on the piece.
I've done all the wiring and all of the installation of the lights, as well as designed the circuit board that will control them. The circuit board is designed to connect to all of the lights, as well as also have optional inputs for sensors, for different environmental things we may want to display on the lights.
I did a lot of the 3D printing for Frank, and I've helped do some of the installation.
When I came in today, with the problems they were experiencing, some of these strips were going out. What they've been using so far as a stopgap method is an LED as a fuse. What we're going to try to switch those over is a poly switch fuse, which will reset itself after it trips.
Different skill sets allow us to deal with a much broader range of problems, which is helpful in everything from troubleshooting to coming up with good ideas.
It's a really dynamic team. Everyone's doing really different things, but in the transfer of information and of data to the greater Albuquerque community, that is a way of bringing technological and creative ideas to kind of a synthesis.
At Social Media Work Group, we have a very talented team with a lot of different people who have different backgrounds. The synergy of all of those roles together has really contributed to helping design and bring Data Central to life.